The Aztec Instruments Company introduces its unique metallographical complex, OMS M1000, which automatically analyzes the microstructure of solid materials. The metallographical complex has been developed specifically for metallurgical and machine building enterprises, in which it is necessary to control the microstructure of ferrous and non-ferrous metals and other solid materials such as ceramics, composite materials, etc. To ensure proper equipment operation, samples are to be carefully prepared with specialized equipment. If needed, the microstructure of the material must be etched. The complex consists of an inverted metallographical microscope, a high-speed camera, as well as a software package with modules that automatically define microstructure settings. The microscope's maximum magnification is 1,500 times. The accessible modes of contrast are bright field, dark field, polarization, and differential absorption contrast. The standard specifications provide a motorized 5 or 6 position turret with plan apochromatic apertures of 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100 times. Information about a given aperture is shown as an LED strip light on the front panel. A key feature of the complex is its unique software. It allows you to gather, process, and store images, as well as conduct 15 simple measurement programs and display records. This truly revolutionary technology of pixel-by-pixel stitching allows for the combining of several fields of view without the use of motorized functions. Only manual handles are used. The more fields of view that are stitched, the more accurate research becomes. The software allows for the stitching of an unlimited area. When the complex is in pixel-by-pixel stitching mode, it also uses a colored 4-megapixel CMOS, a camera with a video transmission speed of 90 shots per second. This type of camera is required for pixel-by-pixel stitching. The camera also renders genuine colors instead of changing them. The user-friendly, intuitive software interface allows even unexperienced operators to obtain high-quality images. The measurement and processing of one sample can take anywhere from 10 minutes, with some sort of software automation, to 40 minutes and more. In contrast, the OMOS M1000 complex, which has been in development for 10 years, performs this task within 1 to 3 minutes. Not only does it improve workplace productivity by a factor of 10, it also drastically improves measurement reliability. The unique algorithm of this software automatically provides pixel-by-pixel stitching. This stands in contrast to traditional stitching of the fields of view, which skews the accuracy of measurements. Our product has a great advantage on the market due to its measurement accuracy, as demonstrated by its certificate as a registered measuring apparatus. The certified software, produced in Russia, ensures system operation in compliance with ISO, ASTM, DIN, and JJ. It also has more than 150 specialized automatic modules to define the settings of the microstructure of materials. We truly hope that OMOS systems will help our users conduct precise work with ease. Our company is willing and able to conduct demonstrational measurements of the samples and show the unique capabilities of the OMOS M1000 complex to complete your materialography tasks. You can find all the information at www.aztec-instruments.com.